What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, a couple weeks. I just haven't been feeling myself lately, a little overwhelmed at work, so I decided to take a break just so I don't get burnt out and so I can come up with more ideas and create the best content for you guys. So welcome back. Today's video I am going through my current needs for Oregon outdoor exercise. I am not going to the gym. I canceled my gym membership just because of everything going on in the world. I'd rather just work out outside, and that means picking up some new gear. So if you're interested in that gear that I picked up, keep watching, stay tuned. My dog's looking at me like I am a crazy person because, I don't know, maybe she's not judging me that hard, but I just got off work. My hair's a little foofy, so this is cute, I thought. It's quicker than actually doing my hair. Anyway, let's jump into it. So my birthday is coming up, and I had been not really hinting, but I'm using my phone for these videos. So I only have a few videos up, and I didn't really want to fully invest in a camera until I knew that this was something I was going to enjoy and other people were going to like it. So if you can, give me thumbs up and follow and subscribe, leave comments, all that stuff, so I know that you guys like this kind of content. Anyway, I've been hinting around about what kind of cameras I want, and like I said, my birthday's coming up on September 27th, and Marshall had come up to me, last night or 2 nights ago, and said, do you want your birthday present now or on your birthday? And since I was a kid, I cannot wait for birthdays, Christmas, anything that involves a present. I'm like, what is it? I don't like surprises. I want to know. My dad would tell you that I used to sneak into his room and go searching for Christmas presents in his closet and in the hall closets and up in the attic, and I was bad. For some reason, I just can't handle the anticipation. So of course I said, I want it now. Oh, oops. He got me the content creator kit. Oh, it's so cute. So I haven't opened this yet. It is one of the ones that I wanted. It's the M50 Mark II with the tripod grip and stereo mic. So I'm gonna open that in just a minute. I'm super excited about that. So if you want to know more about the camera and the mic and the tripod, keep watching. Next, we're gonna go into the gear I picked up because I plan on working out outside a few times a week. Every once in a while, working out inside in my apartment. I feel really guilty because I'm on the 3rd floor and I don't want the neighbor below me to, I don't know, me be loud or disturb them, or it's just, when we lived in Connecticut, we were under someone, and I swear to God, from 11 p.m. till like 4 a.m. it was just all the time, and it was exhausting for us, and I don't know, clearly not for them. They just kept going for hours and hours and hours. So I just try to be very aware not to be like that. I even left him a note at one point saying, I'm so sorry, this is the time I'm gonna be working out in my apartment. Please let me know if you want me to stop, so if you're sleeping or need to go to work or whatever. Like, I just want people to know that I have to do this, I get to do this, but also I'm trying to be considerate of your well-being, because we all live in this shared space, and it sucks being that person below someone who's loud all the time. So anyway, gosh, I keep getting off on tangents. I've been at work all day and nobody has said a word to each other the whole day. It's super fun, guys. So that's why I'm talking a lot. So I'm gonna link everything down below in the description box. I just wanted to tell you what I got, and then if you're interested, I can link it down below. Most everything is from Amazon, so those will be affiliate links if you are interested. So the first thing I picked up were new wireless headphones. Can you see that? They're from Back Bay, and I picked these up because they are waterproof. So they're wireless. They look like that. They clip around my ears, and I have been wearing them at work just to make sure I like them. They're comfortable. I even like jumped up and down in them to make sure that they're gonna stick on my ears. My ears are super small, and I don't know that any wireless headphone or literally anything could get smaller than this unless I specifically ordered child size. I have abnormally small ears. I don't get it. I don't know why. My head's a little small, whatever. So I've always had trouble with glasses and anything that goes on or over my ears, whatever. So I'll put these in. This is for my left. It fits, you know, okay. It's super comfortable. They're rechargeable in their case. I did not want to spend a lot of money on AirPods or Air, whatever they're called, the Apple, just because I don't know if those will fit me. I need the hooks, and I didn't want to spend a ton of money. I think these were $59 on Amazon, and like I said, they're waterproof, water resistant, so I can run with these in the rain, and that's really important to me. I want to be able, or not even run, just work out. So we're gonna give these a shot. I don't have a running workout jacket that is waterproof, so I picked this one up. Oh, it's hitting my mic. Picked this one up. It is Go Sport. It's the women's medium, and it's really just a windbreaker and waterproof jacket. So I'm just gonna go and slip this on over whatever I'm already wearing. I'll probably wear a long sleeve under it because it does get cold here. Also got that off of Amazon. I think it was only like $23. So I will be wearing this fall/winter. It's supposed to rain on Saturday and Sunday, and my dad wants to go golfing on Sunday, so I think it will be the perfect time to wear that. Gear that I picked up for Oregon weather specifically. If you are in an area, Oregon, Washington, like literally any Pacific Northwest, the higher up you go, it's cold, it rains. I mean, you know. So another thing I picked up, the Adidas Terrex, made with Gore-Tex. Honestly, I ordered these 3 months ago and they just showed up on my doorstep. I had to call Adidas specifically and was like, where are my shoes? And they got held up in FedEx, and I don't know what FedEx's deal is, but they like held it at their facility for months and months and months and months. So I just chalked it up to, I just lost $100 because they weren't refunding me the money until they saw the shoes arrive back at the Adidas warehouse, or something was going on. I don't know. Anyway, I got them finally. It hasn't really rained a lot yet, so that's good news. But yeah, so I got these $100 on Adidas.com. So this is the only thing I didn't get off Amazon. Everything else was ordered off of Amazon. Oh, and there's one other thing I didn't get on Amazon. These are 100% waterproof. Working out, They're not the cutest. I'll never go there, ever try to convince you that these are the cutest shoes on the market. But in this case, it's function over fashion. There's nothing more I don't like. My feet getting wet while I'm trying to walk or be outside, and the water's flicking up on your toes and your toes get all wet, and ugh. So I don't like that feeling. I don't like wet socks. No. So coming from California, I needed to switch from my Pumas to something actually waterproof, because my Pumas are basically mesh, and the water, I can't even walk in damp grass without my shoes getting soaked. So workout shoes, waterproof, it's everything I need to be able to be outdoors in Oregon during the winter, fall season, spring, literally all year actually. Okay, on to the last thing. No, last two things I got were these waterproof gloves that also are smartphone compatible, so I can touch the screen without having to take my gloves off. Super important if I am filming for you guys or doing any sort of pictures, content, whatever. I got these in a size medium. These are also ordered off of Amazon. I'll link them down below. These are actually super comfortable. They're fleece on the inside. And yeah, I mean, they're a little big, but I ordered them big because my hands are big and my ears are small. I don't know what happened here, but whatever. So I got big hands and little ears, so I don't know what that means, but here we are. Sport glove, that's what they are, on Amazon, size medium for women's. Link them down below. The last item I got is another workout tool. So this is mostly to use inside. And I'm gonna create workouts with this and with my booty sprout. So if you are interested in that, give this video a thumbs up so I can create content for working out with the booty sprout and this Pilates pole. I don't know if you can see it, gotta lean back. So it has two straps here, and you can hook these to your feet and do like donkey kicks or fire hydrants or anything like that. You can also do squatting. Actually really sturdy hooked together. I got purple. It comes in other colors, but I like purple. On here, if I want the resistance band stronger, I can change this out. And I think that's pretty handy for doing squats or any Pilates related moves. I got this off of lushwellnessco.com, so lushwellnesscompany.com, and you'll be able to pick up any one of these there. They have like yoga mats, anything health and wellness, but you can go check out their website. I'll also link that down below. So yeah, I think this is a really cool, handy dandy tool. Rush this video a little bit because the dog needs to go outside and I love her and she needs a walk and she deserves it because she's my princess. Get it. Get it. Oh my God, get it. Get it. Dun, 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 dun. My dog is staring at me because she's out on the patio. That really pisses her off. I gotta hurry this up, you guys. The lens and the lens cover. The battery charger. Perfect. I always have to make sure that I'm not missing anything in these boxes. I'm always so paranoid that I'm gonna throw something away that I didn't see before. Oh my gosh, the camera. there she is. Ta-da. That's the flip. Flip it around and view myself. Flip it back around and close it. And it snaps closed, so it'll stay that way. I am so excited to play with this. So that's it. That is my new gear for fall, winter in Oregon. Now, I'm gonna go take my dog out and I will see you guys next time. She's literally leaning against the door. I would show you, but the glass is dirty, so I don't want any judgment. I'm gonna clean up this mess, take her out, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to the next video. It's gonna be from the camera. Yeah. So stay tuned for that as well. Thanks for watching again. Bye, see you next time.